Number 1, coffee. Number 2, cereal. Number 3, milk. Number 4, fish. Number 5, sandwich. Number 6, grapes. Number 7, apples or apple juice. Number 8, banana. Number 9, cake. Number 10, sugar. 11, salt. 12, chocolate. 13, chicken. 14, steak. I signed cow meat, but it's steak. And number 15, baking. You're cooking and then you're putting it into the oven.
Number 1, refrigerator. Number 2, pan. Number 3, pot. Number 4, tongs. Number 5, spoon. Number 6, fork. Number 7, spork. Number 8, knife. Number 9, plate. Number 10, bowl. Number 11, cup. Number 12, sink. Number 13, stove. Number 14, microwave. Number 15, freezer.
Okay, for grammar, if you want to say I am hungry, you're going to say I hungry. We don't say I am hungry. We don't use the helping verb. So if I want to say I want to eat, I say I want eat. I don't say I want to go eat, or to, however you want to sign it. And then if you want to ask someone, do you want lunch? You say, you want lunch? With eyebrows raised for a question. So if it's a yes or a no. Now when we have open-ending questions, saying like, where do you want to go eat? You can say, you want eat where? Again, I have my eyebrows raised because I'm asking someone a question. So do a practice sentence, and I want you all to sign, where do you want to go eat right now?